Hi, my name is Eric Plasky, and this is how to effectively implement Google Earth into each content area.
We'll start off just going over a few of the basic tools. Over here on the right, the vertical bar with the plus and the minus is how you zoom in and how you zoom out. The one above it, the directional arrows, moves the globe in that direction. The one above that, in case the globe is in a different direction, you can always have it facing north to get it right side up. And if you're zoomed in close enough, those directional arrows change the angle in which you look at things. And you can see the toolbar across the top. I'm just going to go over their names quickly. The first one, here you have the add a place mark, and then you can add a polygon, add a path, an image overlay, record a tour, view historical imagery, look at the sunlight across the sky, go to Google Earth, Google Sky, Google Mars, Google Moon, measure the distance between two places, email the screen to yourself, print it, or view it in Google Maps as well. And the far left, you have your search bar, and then you have your sidebar, which holds all of your places and different layers.
Now that you've learned some of the basic tools, let's move into seeing how to use Google Earth in the math curriculum.
Right now he's using the ruler tool to measure the distance between our school and Mount Rushmore. He's then going to change the units from miles to inches with the drop-down box. You can also analyze architecture using Google Earth and how it relates to geometry.
So now we saw math, let's move along to reading.
This student is using Google Earth as a supplement to his small group reader. The book is a non-fiction piece analyzing Jane Goodall's research in Africa. The student is grouped in a lower level reading group and is using Google Earth as a tool to connect with the literature. At the same time, he's building his vocabulary, his comprehension, and constructing new knowledge of the material.
Now let's move along to science and social studies.
This student is using a place mark at the White House, which is part of our National Symbols unit. The picture you see is an image overlay of a student in our class. Now he's using the 3D buildings layer to make the White House come to life. Then he clicks on one of the geotagged photographs to view the White House in real life. This last feature is the Street View layer. This student is using it to view the area around the Liberty Bell Museum and Betsy Ross's house. You can use this layer to view almost any street in the country. New streets are constantly being added each day. This is a great tool to visit places the students may never get to visit in their lifetime. After using Google Earth in a lesson, it is very beneficial for students to use it and try these learned methods independently to build understanding.
But like any software, it's going to take practice. There's endless amounts of ways to successfully put this into each lesson, but the one thing that always worked for me is that I just got on and tried it. You need to go in, play around with different things, get an idea, and go with it. And that's the best tool that you can have for effectively implementing it into your curriculum. Thanks for watching.